Dear students, today we will discuss about type 7 and type 8 type creative questions of the chapter 3, 4 rules, exercise 3, and this is our 7th lecture. So let us start. Before that, I would like to say, if you like my lecture, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Let us start the problem. 5 liters of water come into a water tank in a minute, but 2 liters of water go out of the tank per minute. So this is the main stem or main information of the questions. Now the first question will be how many liter of the water are kept or reserved into the tank in a minute. Then question B, calculate the amount of water that is reserved into the tank in 10 minutes. If no water comes into the tank, then how much time is needed to empty the tank after first 10 minutes. So let us start the solution. A, accordingly in 1 minute the amount of water comes into the tank is 5 liters, and it is also given the amount of water that go out from the tank is 2 liters. So if we subtract these two things, that is 2 from 5, then we will get the amount of water is stay or reserved or kept into the tank, that is 3 liters. Then B, accordingly, that means according to the questions or from A we get this thing that in 1 minute the amount of water kept is 3 liters. So in 10 minutes the amount of water kept will be more. That means we have to multiply. So if we multiply, then it will be 30 liters of water. So that means in 10 minutes the tank will reserve 30 liters of water. Now solution C. From B we get that the amount of water reserved in 10 minutes is 30 liters. Now if no water comes in, that means only it will go out. The water will go out only, no water will come. So 2 liter of water goes out in 1 minute. From the question we get this thing. So 1 liter of water goes out in less time. That means half, 1 divided by 2. So if I take 30 liter against 1 liter, then I am taking more water. So it will take more time to goes out. So we have to multiply. So half multiplied by 30, that means 30 divided by 2. And if we divide, we will get 15 minutes. These are 7 type creative questions. Now let us start the type 8 creative questions. Aisha bought 8 pencil at Taka 64. And first question is, what is the unit price of a pencil? Calculate the cost of 64 pencil. How many pencils will she get by Taka 8? Let us start the solution. Solution A, it is given that from the question we get this, that 8 pencils cost for Taka 64. So if I take 1 pencil against of 8 pencil, then the number of pencil is decreasing, so the amount of cost will also be decreased. So that's why we have to divide. So if we divide, we will get Taka 8. That means 1 pencil cost for Taka 8. That means the unit price of a pencil is Taka 8. Now B. Now it is also given. We give this thing. We get this thing from the question that 8 pencils cost for Taka 40. Now if we take 1 pencil, then number of pencil decreasing, so amount of cost will also decrease. Divide. Now if we take 64 pencils, that means I am taking more pencil against this one, so the cost will be also increased. So that means I have to multiply. So multiply by 64. Now 64 divided by 8 multiplied by 64, that is 64 multiplied by 64 by 8. So 64 divided by 8 equals to 8, and this 64 will come here. Now if we multiply 64 by 8, then we will get 512. That is the cost of 64 pencils. Now C. Accordingly, we also get this thing from the question, but we are writing this thing in reverse order because the number of pencil, we have to find out the number of pencil here. So it is given that by Taka 64 we can get 8 pencil. If we have 1 Taka, then we will get, since the Taka is going to less, so number of pencil will be also less. So 8 divided by 64. Now if I take more Taka, then the number of pencil will be more. So that means I have to multiply. So 8 multiplied by 8 divided by 64. That is 64 divided by 64. That is 1 pencil. So here I have discussed two different type of creative questions, that is type 7 and type 8. but I'm not giving any other similar type questions, because there is no similar type questions in the books. Just you try to practice this is enough for the PSC exam. This type of question very rare to come in the PSC exam. You just practice this thing, and if you like my lecture, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.